Hi Terry, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And upon first looking at it, they did a good job listing some of these call to action buttons so that people can easily get a hold of you, which helps convert leads to customers. If we scroll through your website, something that I see here is that there needs to be more content. And so the reason we want more content is because Google has crawlers. They're crawling websites 24/7, and they are looking for content, and embedded in that content, they're looking for keywords. And to be considered an authority with Google, they want at least 1,500 keywords on your main page. And then embedded in those, they want to see some good keywords. So an example of a keyword here would be Foundation Repair Tulsa. That would be one of your locations. And so when we search that into Google, the first thing that we see are some ads here. I see you all have an ad. And then we scroll down to what's called the map packs. And so in the map packs, you definitely want to be in the top 3 here. 30 to 40% of your business is going to be in this section here. So you want to have the most visibility to be able to get the most people clicking on you. And the way to beat out these other businesses would be 5-star reviews, photos, as well as citations, which would be your business name, phone number, and address, and other locations like Yelp. And so you would want to have more than these businesses here. If we scroll down here would be the organic section. This top 10, we're going to skip this since it's not a business. And then the first organic listing here is EdenStructural.com. So they are number 1 organically. And so if we scroll down, let's see if we can find you on the first page. So I don't see you on the first page here. Most people, they don't go on the second page. They usually don't even scroll down, let alone go on the second page. So we definitely want to be in this top 3 section here. So let's take a look at Eden Structural to see maybe why they're on the front page. They also have some call to actions here. If we go through here, they do have more content. They still don't have enough content though, so that would be one easy thing to beat them out with, is adding more content to your website. If I plug in EdenStructural.com into Ahrefs, it shows us what's going on in the back end. So what's happening is it's showing that the strength of their website is 38 and the trust of their website is 31. And what makes up those numbers are backlinks. So they have almost 3,000 backlinks coming from 957 referring domains. And what a backlink is it's just another website linking to your website. So it's a shout out. So Google is really just a big popularity contest. So if we compare your site, Metro Structural, to theirs, you're pretty close with this number here. You might even be beating, you're just under it. But with the other number, you have 17. And so you have 7.1K backlinks coming from 215 referring domains. And so what we want to do is we want to get you more quality backlinks. We want to make sure not to get you spammy backlinks, because that can actually make these numbers come down. And that way we can get these numbers surpassing Eden Structural. That way we can get you ranking higher. And let's take a look at their organic keywords and what kind of traffic they have. So they are ranking high up. So they are getting all kinds of traffic from random things. But some buyer intent keywords would be Foundation Repair Tulsa. 400 people are searching a month. Tulsa Foundation Repair, 350 are searching a month. And so there are more keywords here. A lot of what they are ranking for are not buyer intent keywords. So if we can get those buyer intent keywords on your site, there are tons of people searching in your areas of service. So if you just want to add those tips, add those content to your site, and just work on getting your citations and photos for your Google, or if you want to reach out to me, I'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.